Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The Diagnostic Trouble Code, DTC P2857, indicates an issue with the clutch pressure regulator in Honda Pilot models from 2016 to 2022. This specific code means that the current flowing to the clutch pressure regulator is lower than expected. This component is critical in managing hydraulic pressure for the automatic transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts. The clutch pressure regulator is located within the Transmission Control Module, TCM, system, which controls the operation of the automatic transmission through electronic signals. When the current is low, it suggests an electrical issue rather than a mechanical malfunction, emphasizing the need to check wiring or connectors prior to any extensive repairs. Understanding the DTC is essential for effective troubleshooting and repair. DTC P2857 signifies a low current condition affecting the clutch pressure regulator within the automatic transmission system. The clutch pressure regulator plays a vital role in managing the hydraulic pressure necessary for proper shifting of the vehicle's gears. Located within the Transmission Control Module, TCM framework, this electronically controlled component must receive the correct electrical signals to operate efficiently. Therefore, if the current is low, it directly impacts the functionality of the clutch pressure regulator, potentially leading to suboptimal transmission performance. Notably, this issue arises from electrical circuit problems and not from any mechanical failures within the transmission itself, directing focus to wiring, connections, and related components. Several potential causes can lead to the DTC P2857 being triggered. An open circuit within the wiring harness supplying power to the clutch pressure regulator may result in insufficient current flow, leading to the low current fault. Additionally, a short to ground can create a pathway that diverts the necessary voltage away from the regulator, causing operational issues. Loose or corroded connectors could also interrupt the electrical flow, causing the Transmission Control Module to receive incorrect data from the clutch pressure regulator. Each of these issues can prevent the proper functioning of the electronic controls in your Honda Pilot's transmission, and thus, a thorough examination of the electrical connections is imperative. When the DTC P2857 is triggered, several noticeable symptoms may arise. Most immediately, the check engine light will likely illuminate on the dashboard, alerting the driver that a fault exists. The vehicle may also exhibit abnormal transmission performance, such as slippage or unintended gear changes. Drivers might experience intermittent gear shifting issues, where the transmission hesitates or has difficulty engaging the correct gears. Such symptoms can lead to an overall uncomfortable driving experience and should not be ignored, as they may indicate further issues if not addressed promptly. Monitoring these symptoms closely may assist in diagnosing the vehicle's condition more effectively and ensuring a timely repair. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P2857 involves confirming the diagnostic code's persistence. To begin, turn the vehicle's ignition to the on mode without starting the engine. This initial setting enables communication with the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Use the HDS to clear any existing DTCs, which can reset the system and allow for an accurate diagnosis moving forward. After clearing, turn the vehicle off and then back on. This process allows the vehicle's electronic systems to reboot. Following this, check for any confirmed or pending DTCs once again with the HDS. If P2857 reappears, it indicates a persistent issue requiring further inspection. If not, it suggests the possibility of an intermittent fault that may require additional diagnostics to uncover. In this second step, we focus on examining the wiring associated with the clutch pressure regulator and the transmission control module. Start by ensuring the vehicle is turned off and in the lock position. You will need to disconnect the TCM subharness 26P and TCM 58P connectors to access the wiring. Once properly disconnected, you must check for continuity between specific test points identified in the diagnostic procedure. This should be done to ensure there are no breaks or open circuits in the LSA, LSB, LSC, LSD, and VBSOL2 wires, which are vital for transferring signals and power between the components. A continuity check verifies that electrical pathways are intact and operational. If an open circuit is found, it will need repair to restore functionality. The third step involves checking for any shorts to ground in the wiring harness, which could impact the operation of the clutch pressure regulator. Again, with the vehicle in off and locked mode, maintain the disconnection of the TCM connectors. You will be checking specific wiring terminals within the TCM 58P connector to ensure there is no continuity to body ground at the test points. Continuity in these tests indicates that the wires are shorted, which must be rectified to restore functionality to the clutch pressure regulator system. If no shorts are detected, the next course of action would be to refer to authorized service information related to the DTC, or potentially substitute a known good TCM to determine if the control module itself is at fault. This step is critical in isolating the electric issues contributing to the low current condition. After completing all repairs related to the wiring and connections causing DTC P2857, it's essential to verify that everything functions properly. Begin this verification process by rechecking the DTC using the Honda Diagnostic System. Ensuring that P2857 no longer appears confirms the troubleshooting efforts were successful. Following this, you should also verify the normal operation of the clutch pressure regulator and transmission by conducting a test drive of the vehicle. Assess the shifting performance, paying attention to any unusual behavior. If the transmission functions smoothly without error codes, the repairs can be considered complete, confirming the effectiveness of the troubleshooting steps taken. To prevent the recurrence of DTC P2857, proactive maintenance is crucial. Begin by regularly inspecting the connectors associated with the transmission control module and clutch pressure regulator. Corrosion or loose fittings can lead to electrical faults, so addressing these issues early on can save significant repair costs later. Additionally, maintain vigilance regarding the wiring harness integrity. Any signs of fraying or damage should be corrected immediately. Ensuring that all transmission-related software and firmware are updated can also prevent miscommunication between components, which may lead to incorrect DTC triggering. Implementing these maintenance strategies can extend the longevity of the transmission system and maintain optimal performance. In conclusion, DTC P2857 highlights the importance of electrical integrity within the clutch pressure regulation system of the Honda Pilot. By understanding that this code is indicative of low current issues rather than mechanical failures, we focus our troubleshooting efforts on connections and wiring integrity. Identifying faults early through symptoms such as abnormal transmission behavior can guide effective repairs. The troubleshooting steps clarify how to diagnose and resolve potential issues effectively. Emphasizing regular preventive maintenance will not only help avoid future occurrences of this DTC, but also ensure that your vehicle operates smoothly and efficiently in the long run. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.